Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, just hit that button. It's right down there. Appreciate you watching the video today. So today I'm working on a problem that I've had and I want to do a little DIY for it. So as you can see, I have a set of pool ladder steps here. Let me show you what they look like. So I have an above ground pool, 4.5 feet deep, and I got a big old dog. So if it was a normal situation, I would just put a normal ladder where you have a couple of attachments to the deck, and the metal ladder goes in there. But since the dog likes to swim more than I do, you got to get these big steps for her to get in and out so she don't hurt herself or tear the pool up. Well, this thing is not solid. It's pretty heavy, but it's not solid, and it's plastic, and it'll float up if you don't have weights on it. Well, the only weights that I've ever found were like big water bags, and you put sand in them, and the problem with that is they're square and they don't let the water flow around them good, and they're hard to attach for one. But they let algae grow. You pour bleach in there with the sand, you still get algae. You have to silicone them, they leak, and it is a pain to clean, to have to get a brush around them and clean them and stuff when you're down in the pool. So I went online, started looking, and there's not too many choices for this set of steps, but on Pinterest I found where you can make your own using PVC pipe. Now this is some 3-inch PVC pipe, and I got a screw out clean off, and I got a cap. So what I'm thinking I can do, I don't know if you can see it or not, the sun's real bad. I'm gonna fill them full of concrete, just powder concrete mix, Sackcrete. Put some Teflon tape around here and pipe dope so it seals up good, and I'm gonna glue all the joints together. And I'm going to attach those with some heavy cable ties to the side of the steps. I hope y'all can see that. I can't really tell, the sun's out bright out here. Let me point you in that direction. So I'm going to attach these, and I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm going to have to cut that off a little bit. But I'm going to do 2 of them per side. I got a 60-pound bag of Sackcrete. So I'm hoping this will help. And if any of y'all out there have ever had a problem with your steps floating up and had an algae problem, let me know in the comments and how you fixed it. And so I'm going to see if this will fix it. So I'm going to time lapse you a little bit. I'm going to show you I got 4 of these. And I'm going to try to fill them full of concrete, lash them, set the steps off in the pool, and see how we do. So y'all hang with us. Alright, so I've got the 4 pieces of pipe put together. Got it glued up, so I'm going to let it dry for a little while. I'm going to make me a funnel, pour the dried concrete in there. We'll lash it to the side and see what it looks like. Hopefully this is going to work. So this is the way I'm going to try to fill this up, just with this little scoop. I know it seems tedious, but I'm trying not to make a huge mess at it. So I just made me a little cardboard funnel. See here, and I'm going to fill it up, put the lid on it, and hopefully it'll be waterproof. And then we'll get them attached to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do all 4, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it took exactly a bag. I've got about a handful left in the bucket for all 4 of the pipes, and they're heavy. I mean, they're really heavy now. So now I'm going to take some Teflon tape. This is what plumbers use for pipe fittings and stuff. And I'm going to ensure that we have a seal. I've also got a tube of pipe dope that I'm going to put around it. Make sure we don't get water in there, and hopefully we can keep the algae down to a minimum. I had a heck of a time with it last year. We had a lot of rain last year though, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 or 3 loops of Teflon tape around the threads on this. Make sure it lays in there flat and fills in the voids. Just like that. Then I'm going to take some pipe dope, or thread, I guess it's called thread compound, and go around in there and make sure we have a good seal. Take a pair of pliers, screw them in there, and then I'm going to attach it to the side. We'll be right back. Okay, so I've got 2 per side, and it took just about all 60 pounds. I mean, it's heavy now. I got them on there with some really strong cable ties. So when I go to, I mean, it's heavy. So it don't look like much. But I mean, for a cheap DIY solution, I'm hoping it works. If not, we're not gonna make the video. But I'm gonna let the glue set up for about an hour, and then I'm gonna try to put it in the pool this afternoon. So y'all hang loose. All right, I thought I was rolling, and I wasn't. I wasn't recording, but I got the steps in the pool. Let me unhook you here and see. So I don't know if y'all can see the tubes down in there. So this mechanism allows you to raise them up and down if you need to, but there's a pad underneath. I got stainless screws holding them on to the 2 8s, just enough to make my dog happy. So that's my afternoon. I hope somebody gets something out of it. If y'all have fixed y'all steps in a certain way, let me know. If y'all think I just wasted my Saturday, just let me. But the dog looks happy, so. But anyway, if y'all give me a thumbs up on this video, give me some comments down there below. Hit that subscribe button if you don't care. Hope everybody's having a great weekend and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Gretchen, you ready to go swimming? I think she's ready.